Hi my little one, let's learn how to read ow sound. Now this is ow, ow. Now repeat after me. Out, out, out. L, ow, loud, loud. Cl, ow, cloud, cloud. Ouch, ouch, ouch. P, ow, pouch, pouch, pouch. K, ow, cow, count, count, count. Sh, ow, shout, shout, shout. Ow, mouth, mouth, mouth. F, ow, found, 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 found. S, ow, sow, sound, sound, sound. R, ow, round, 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 round. Gr, ow, grow, ground, ground, ground. H, ow, house, house, house. In this word, this letter E, the sound of E is E, and this letter sound is silent. We do not speak this letter sound. So the word is house. H, ow, house, house. We have to write this letter, but the sound is silent. इसकी कोई sound नहीं हम बोलेंगे. It is silent. In the same case of this word also. Ow, mouse, mouse, mouse. In this word also, this letter sound E is silent. हम इसकी sound नहीं बोलेंगे. Mouse, mouse, but we have to write this letter, but there is no sound. Now let me tell you the meaning of all these words. Out, out means bahar, outside. Loud, loud means zor se, to speak loud, zor se. Cloud, cloud, this is a cloud, and these are clouds, badal, clouds. Ouch, when you get hurt, you say ouch, ouch. Pouch, like this is a pouch. You keep something in it, pouch. Count, count means to count something like 1, 2, 3. Suppose if I have drawn so many circles here, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 circles. We have counted these circles. Count, ginna. Shout, shout means to speak loud, zor zor se bolna. Mouth, we eat food with our mouth. Found, found means mil gaya. Suppose you are looking for something and suddenly you see that or you get that. So you say, I found it. Mujhe wo cheez mil gayi. I found it. Sound, sound means awaz. You can hear my sound. Sound means awaz. Round, like This circle is round in shape. Round means goal. The ball is round in shape. Round. Ground. Ground means zameen. We walk on the ground. House. House, you all know. We all live in a house. Mouse. Mouse means rat. Rat. So now watch this video again and repeat all the ow words after me. Bye-bye for now.